Okay, I had just finished describing the portal that was opened on Valentine's Day, and it was a portal all the way from third dimensional Earth into fourth dimensional, into fifth dimensional Terra, into sixth dimension, into seventh dimensional Gaia, all the way up into 12th dimensional crystalline future Earth. And it was an incredible opening. Many of us felt it. And this gives the earth and all beings on her an actual opening into this full alignment in our mitochondria with paradisical timeline of totally healed sacred marriage. It's as if it was really like a glimpse. On the inner planes, all of this opened up, everything aligned. So it happened, guys. We were there. So now it's just a matter of letting that alignment call to us like a lover, like a beloved, letting it like just seducing, just calling, just beckoning us into the alignment. And that's what I've been feeling. It's been a combination of being beckoned into this union of lover and beloved, of ecstatic communion, of seeing paradisical earth for all beings, of seeing us living on the land in communities where we create a prototypal cell in the body of the actual unity logos for the whole earth. And so it really goes from micro to macro. First, we embody the unity logos within our own being. And we let the divine blueprint of unity inform our biology. Then, as embodied unity, we become an assemblage point around which the next level of unity, which is to live in communities. You could think of it as multicellular, or I almost said orgasms. Well, kind of multicellular organism, right? Which is made of all the members of the community working together toward the common goal of having everyone thrive, of having music and creativity and love and dance and music and sacred communion ceremonies and, just the simple and beautiful act of preparing nourishment, of nurturing a garden, of living together day to day in a way that totally uplifts the whole. This is also about real efficiency, living in separation consciousness, in separate homes, where we have to own a separate lawnmower and a separate this, and go to the store and buy with our green paper from our separate jobs, food, in plastic and containers. It is so inefficient, right? It is very inefficient. As we move from a fallen to an ascending timeline, everything becomes so much more efficient. That's one of the hallmarks of knowing that you are in alignment with ascension, is how easy is it? If it's really easy and joyful and feels wonderful, then yeah, you're in alignment, right? That's the life you were born to live. So that's one way to really tell. How easy is it? Are you having fun? So this micro to macro is really exciting to me because first, the biology of our bodies are given the blueprint of how to return to maximum efficiency. Every cell, every organ, every circulatory system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, the bones, the muscles, the physicality of the body, like just divinely communicating across all parameters into this festival of light with maximum ATP production, right? So you have total energy to dance, to climb mountains, to bring your highest creativity into being. because there's so much love circulating between all the separate parameters, the separate identities in the body are communing in this blissful, mutual giving and receiving of their specific gifts, right? The liver, with its cleansing of toxicity, is doing that for the system. The lungs, bringing in the oxygen, are doing that for the system. The pancreas, regulating and keeping optimal blood sugar, is doing that for the system. The circuitry of grace, which is letting divine love circulate through all parts, all members of the body, is fully connected into the higher dimensional circuitry of source consciousness. So it's this incredible, thriving festival of mutual giving and receiving of love and ecstatic communion that creates this thriving 12th dimensional frequency hub, which becomes a cell in the body of unity. The crystal star, the crystal heart network, is the network of the Christed heart made manifest on earth. And to really be the cells in the body of the crystal heart made manifest, we must ourselves embody unity. So it's happening, guys. The first wave is really doing it. I guess it's the spring equinox that's kind of our big coming out party into embodiment of the solar logos, which you could call the unity logos, really, because the sun is our main high priestess, drawing us back into divine blueprint of unity. Okay, that's 7 minutes. I think I'll stop here.